Welcome to Gyan Gatha. Wishing you all a happy Navratri. At the onset of this auspicious festival, we are starting with the series Navadurga Swaroop, wherein we'll understand one avatar or Swaroop of Devi each day for the next 9 days. Goddess Siddhidatri, the ninth form of Goddess Durga, is worshipped on the ninth day or the Mahanavami. This goddess can be seen surrounded and worshipped by men, demons, gods, and yakshas who are celestial beings. She is the giver of all siddhis, that is perfection, and ready to bestow happiness on her followers. It is believed that one side of Lord Shiva's body is that of goddess Siddhidatri. Therefore, he is also known by the name of Ardhanarishwar. According to Vedic scriptures, Lord Shiva attained all the siddhis by worshipping this goddess. According to Brahma Vaivarat Purana, the Devi can bestow 18 different types of siddhis or perfections. These siddhis are Mahima, Garima, Ladhima, Prapti, Prakashya, Ishitva, and Vashitva, Sarvakamal, Sadhita, Sarvagatva, Amaratva, Sarvanyakatva, Bhavna, and Siddhi. Worshipping Ma Siddhidatri wholeheartedly helps devotees attain perfection along with happiness and purity of heart. This four-armed avatar of Devi Siddhidatri, clad in a red sari, is seen sitting on a lotus flower. She is depicted holding a gada in her lower right hand, a chakra in her upper right hand, a lotus flower in her lower left hand, and conch shell in her upper left hand. It is said that one can even see a disk of light around her golden crown. This light is believed to instill devotion in the heart of devotees towards the supreme power and liberation from karmic bindings. Goddess Siddhidatri bestows occult powers on her worshippers and is therefore revered by beings from all three realms, that is, heaven, hell, and earth. Ma Siddhidatri governs and also provides direction to the planet Ketu, which is known as dragon tail in English. On the ninth day of Navratri, devotees bathe themselves early morning and worship the Navratri Kalash. All the chapters of Durga Saptashati are recited and Mahanavami fast is observed. The devotees please the goddess by performing puja, havan, and chanting Siddhidatri pujan mantras. Devotees offer her 9 oranges, burn incense, light earthen lamp, offer fragrant flowers, fruits, gems, and clothing as a part of the puja ritual. Thank you for connecting with us on Gyan Gatha. May Goddess Durga bestow upon all of us her choicest blessings. A happy Navratri to all of you.